Today's star of the shave is the razor company Artic Edge Puck soap. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today, the star of the shave is the Razor Company Puck Soap Artic Edge. I'm also using a Filoso blade on a Rockwell 6S. That's the stainless steel version with the plate 3. I'm using a snake bite from, I forgot. Oh yeah, fine accoutrements. You see, I get lost in the thought. Too many thoughts in my head. Hey, let's get back to it. Alpha Brush and Soap Company's synthetic brush. It's a fake Ivory. It's a full, I can't even pronounce it. And my Apothecary Mug from the Razor Company. And of course my bougie sprayer. Wow. So how's everyone doing today? Let's shave and chat. I'll shave and chat and you put it in the comments what we want to talk about. Okay. Wow. I have a special connection with this razor company. The soap puck, I believe, is very high quality and you get it at a great price. Oh man, it smells like, it's like a coolness smell I'm getting. That's why I matched it up with the fine accoutrement snake bite. So yeah, tell me how, like, if you don't have the soap with the matching splash or vice versa, the splash without the soap, what's your thinking process? Do you go in the same lane as similar, or do you go in a different lane? Ooh, I can't wait. I'm telling you, this Rockwell razor, it doesn't get enough love. It was one of my first razors that I got when I was a newbie. Funny story. I got something from Amazon and it came broken, and then they gave me credit, and on top of that a gift card. And then I looked at this razor and I put wherever the credit was and that, and hey, this was the beginning of me falling down the rabbit hole. How about you? Do you have any similar stories like that? I love reading and hearing about people's stories or talking to other wet shavers on what was that really like. It's, I believe falling down the rabbit hole has different levels. And this was like my first level falling down the rabbit hole. Like, you know, the first entry into that little maze that we call wet shaving. What was my second one? Oh yeah, I won a Rex. I think it just took me 2 little levels, like the the Rockwell Razor 6S. And then once I won this Rex Envoy Razor, I just went full in. I went like crazy. Oh, look at that special protection. Oh, if they ever come out with a matching splash for this, I'm telling you, this is going to take off. Let me know in your comments down below. Who got you into the rabbit hole? Was it like enabled by people in the community, or did you just like? It's like I look at, you know, you ever have a dessert you want and you okay. Let me backtrack. You ever had Lay's potato chips? And you know, it's so true. You just cannot have one. Like I said, I'm gonna just have one, and then one ends up being 10, and then 10 ends up being the whole bag. And then the whole bag ends up me going out in the middle of the night to the 24/7 deli getting more bags. Are you like that, or is it just me? God, I love this feedback. And I love this razors. I feel like it's perfectly balanced. I don't know why they don't get enough love. I mean, if I didn't fall down this rabbit hole, I would have been perfectly hacker. I can't even finish the sentence. Yeah. Me with one razor or 2? No. I'm just saying out loud what a lot of people are not gonna say. Hey, like keeping it 100 or keeping it real. Ooh. Oh man, feel protected. Ah, it's not like a. It's like a not a mental smell. It's like it smells like coolness. Like you're outside in the cold air. Does that make any sense? That's what I'm getting from me. And it feels cool, but not too cool. Oh man. I'm gonna go for my third pass. That's like my cleanup pass, like a cleanup hitter in baseball. Which is funny, because I hadn't watched baseball in a long time. I'm more just into football. I was into basketball, but I don't know. I'm just focusing on football right now. Come on, tell me what correlates you to wet shaving? What sport or what's something? What, like cooking or some other hobby that you like, okay, so in this and wet shaving, like what correlation do you see? I want to know in your comments down below. I do pick up a little citrus, like very slight for me. Remember, everyone picks up a different smell, and everyone has a different smell and scent palette. Some people have like really good noses. They could pick out things, like a million things. Me, I admit I'm still basic. If it's a gourmand, I could sniff that out like a hound dog. But everything else, I'm still new. I'm still learning about the other scents. Wow, I'm good. Let's rinse up. Get it. Ooh, shabba. I usually mumble and say weird things. It's part of me being comfortable in my skin. Oh man. This shave, woo. Always picks me up. Shaving and watching YouTube and cooking and baking. A little workout here and there. I'm slowly building on things that make me happy, that are positive. Oh, don't want to have my earpiece fall off. Earpiece, yeah. Oof. Ah. Ooh, let's try this splash. This is a nice cool splash. I love it. Should have loosened the bottle up a little more, but I opened it. Oh man, feels so good. No stings, no zings, bada bing. Let's go over the lineup again. Today I use Fine Accoutrements Snake Bite Splash, Alpha Shaveworks Brush and Soap Company's synthetic brush knot with like an off-white. I don't know how to say the proper name because it sounds like a curse word and I don't try to curse. My beautiful Apothecary Mug from the Razor Company. My bougie sprayer. This beautiful Rockwell 6S stainless steel with a Filoso blade. And, of course, the star of the shave is the Razor Company Artic Edge. Oh yeah, I did say it right. Wow. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. If you have time at 9 a.m. Eastern Time Zone on Saturday, go to Instagram, go look up the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live. For all your health and beauty and wet shaving needs, go to therazorcompany.com. And wow, thank you for staying on. And as you see, the menthol is getting my eyes watery. You're a blessing in yourself, and you're a blessing to others. Bye.